Manpa offers a wide range of options when sanding, with different attachments and extensions to reach your work. With a special 5/8 inch adapter, you can attach directly to your angle grinder. You can take the 4-inch sanding flex and mount it so. Another option with our 5/8 special adapter mounted to the angle grinder is to take your sanding tool. This is going to extend your reach and allow you to reach further into your work. With the 5/8 special adapter attached to your angle grinder, we're now able to take the assistant tool and mount as so. With the 5/8 special adapter mounted directly to our angle grinder, we're able to take the sanding tool as an extension along with the assistant tool with the flex sander. Now we're able to reach even further into our work.